1v1? You want to 1v1 me, bro? Alright, here we go. This might be the match where we get diamond camo. If I could do all of this at once. Revenges are done. Revenges are done. We need 24 kills with the attachments on. We need 2 bloodthirsties and 2 double kills. This might be it. I'm way too proud of that.
CDP, own the battlefield.
Enemy FO down.
Double kills might be the problem in a free-for-all here.
Enemy FO down.
I think I could do the bloodthirsties though. I see you, motherfucker.
Outrider.
3, 2 more.
UAV incoming.
I'm trying, dude. This could be the match that gives it to us.
Clean kill.
Should put extended mags on instead of fast mags. I reload too much. Heal up.
That's a kill. EKIA.
One more for the bloodthirsty. Alright, there's one. That could have been the double kill right there too. Fuck that up. One more bloodthirsty though.
TACOM. Battery requesting UAV. Threat neutralized.
The silence is real. Shit's getting real.
Outrider.
You guys are just used to the music, that's all.
That's a kill.
That might be a double kill. That might have counted as a double kill. Here we go. Gonna chase. One more for bloodthirsty. Might camp it up. There it is. Bloodthirsty's done. One more double kill, and then we just finish the match and we got diamond. That double kill is gonna be rough.
Drop.
Quick. Had to go this way, didn't you? You were my double kill.
Gone.
Ah, my ear. Itch.
Kinetic armor good to go.
I'm gonna be stuck with one double kill, I think.
Forcer splash.
Someone just shot behind me.
Rocket wasted.
I'm out of ammo.
Outrider
It.
neutralized.
Time to go punch, motherfuckers. Ah! Jumped off.
Shot out.
Grind it out. Go. I'm not worried about getting the 24. I know I can get the 24 kills. 24, 26. Oh, if I would've got that guy. I'm just worried about the double kill. I think it's one more double kill. And I'm playing free-for-all, so it's a little bit harder. Got sniped from across the way. Nice. It's a fucking beast shotgun, too. Buddy.
They're gone.
One more. I don't know how much time you get for double kills. That might have counted. That counted. There we go. Let's go.
Outrider neutralized. Defensive systems online.
UAV ready for
Where are you going?
Outrider
Is that it?
KIA.
It was 26, not 24. I think I didn't call in this the service. Or whatever the fuck it is. One more. Who's giving me my diamond? Are you giving my diamond, Camo? Where'd you go? My diamond, aren't you? You going all the way around? Come on. Making me run all the way over here. Come on, baby. Oh, my leg! Knock my leg off again. Bam! Yes!
KIA.
Be advised. Hostile
Authorized
UAV
server
incoming.
deployment. EK.
Tactical specialist. Bliss camo unlocked. Gold camo unlocked. All shotguns are fucking done. We did it. Oh, I wanted to punch him to death.
Mobile artillery getting the win.
Diamond shotguns, baby. Let's go. Oh, there was someone else in the back too. Threw a nade at me. Whoop.
Mess with the best.
Now we gotta play with the Argus with Diamond. I can actually go back to the good shotgun. Let's check it out. Goddess Rob. Did you call me a goddess? Oh no. I have the music turned off in game too. Normally there's like music right here. I don't know. I unlock gold, but well, they're both the same one. They both unlock at the same time. Bliss and gold unlock at the same exact time. Well, it depends on which challenges you do. That was my last one. Diamond camo. Unlocked for all shotguns. We did it. The road to diamond. Good, I'm happy as shit. See what it looks like. Please don't be ugly. Bliss is nice. There's the gold. This piece of shit. Oh, what is that? I don't know. I don't know how much I like that. Let me back out. Let me look at it on every gun. Yeah, Black Ops 2 Diamond looked way better. Ah, it looks better on the Argus. Good. A little bit more gold on the side there. KRM. I actually like it on the KRM too. Shiny. It's better than the gold. And on the Haymaker. Let's go. We did it. Diamond camo unlocked. Sweet. Now we're gonna play a match with the